I could have done it! For you! For all of us!
I know what I want. I know what kind of God I need to be. For you.